You know, every few years, the entire construction world turns its eyes to Las Vegas for ConExpo. It's where you get to see the future being built, literally right in front of you. And this year, Caterpillar didn't just show up, they came to unveil a whole new vision for the job site. So let's dig in. Look, when a giant like Caterpillar makes a move, everybody in the industry pays close attention. But what they showed off at ConExpo 2026, it wasn't just about shiny new iron. Nope. This was about solving some of the toughest, most frustrating problems contractors are dealing with day in and day out. So, what are those problems exactly? Well, just think about a modern job site. Space is getting tighter and tighter, especially in our cities, which means you need more power out of a smaller machine. And of course, with costs always on the rise, every single drop of fuel, every single minute an operator is in the seat, it all counts. These are the big picture challenges Caterpillar was aiming to solve. And what was their main answer? Well, meet the brand new CAP 319 compact radius excavator. Now, this machine isn't just another model number in the lineup. It's a really strategic move, specifically designed to fill that critical gap they had between their 315 and 325 excavators. The real ace up the 319 sleeve is its compact radius design. In simple terms, that just means its tail doesn't swing way out when the cab turns. This allows it to work in incredibly tight spots. We're talking a single closed-off lane of traffic without having to sacrifice any power. This thing is truly built for the reality of today's urban construction jobs. So you're probably wondering, how did they manage to pack all that power into such a compact frame? Well, the secret is all in the undercarriage. By building the 319 on a wider 9.2-foot base, they created a platform that's just fundamentally more stable. And that stability, well, that's the foundation for everything else this machine can do. You don't have to take my word for it. Caterpillar's own Brian Stillbrink summed it up perfectly. He said, that width is all about extra stability. That extra space isn't just a random number, it's what unlocks a whole new level of performance. So what does that stability actually get you in the real world? It directly translates into a 7% boost in lifting capacity compared to the CAT 317. Now, 7% might not sound like a huge number, but on a job site, that can be the difference between moving a heavy concrete barrier in one go or having to waste time and money bringing in a second machine. It's a massive gain in efficiency. All right, for all of you who love the nitty-gritty details, here are the core specs. We're looking at a machine that weighs in just under 20,000 kilograms, it's pushing out 133 horsepower, and it can dig down over 21 feet. For a machine in this compact class, those are some seriously impressive numbers. But that stability isn't just about lifting heavy stuff. It's what allows the 319 to handle some incredibly advanced work tools, like the TRS-17 Tilt Rotator. This thing is a game changer. It lets the bucket twist and tilt in almost any direction you can imagine. It basically turns the excavator from just a digging machine into a surgical tool for grading and shaping, which can dramatically boost how fast you get a job done. Of course, even the best machine in the world is nothing without a great operator. And Caterpillar has really focused hard on that in-cab experience. They've paired a super comfortable, high-visibility workspace with their powerful next-generation tech platform, which includes tools like CatGrade. It's all designed to make the operator more confident, more comfortable, and way more productive. And that level of control extends to the machine's performance, too. The operator can actually choose from 3 different modes. You've got Eco Mode to sip fuel on lighter tasks. There's Smart Mode, which is really clever. It automatically adjusts the power to match the conditions. And then there's Power Mode to unleash all 133 horses for the toughest jobs. It's all about matching the machine perfectly to the mission at hand. Now, this intense focus on integrating stability, power, and tech, it wasn't just a one-off thing for the new 319. Caterpillar is applying this whole next-generation philosophy across its entire lineup of machines.